Designed for continual use, Jet's 12x20 semi-auto dual-column bandsaw with a hydraulic vise is engineered for maximum output. Ready to deliver precision cuts and minimal vibrations, the dual-column bandsaw weighs 1.5 tons and has a variable speed blade speed ranging from 86, 157, 228, and 330 surface feet per minute, and is capable of cutting round, rectangle, and square at a 90-degree capacity to meet the demands of your shop. Committed to quality, Jet's full 2-year warranty leads the industry, and their safety features are a caliber unmatched by others. Jet Tools puts the power in your hands. Visit jettools.com to see more information and find a dealer near you.